My name is Rezbach. I founded Lignum Consulting 20 years ago. We are a consulting and engineering company for the wooden furniture industry. We plan, as you see here, design new factories of the future for furniture, for flooring, for interior doors, for building elements, for musical instruments, and for toys. Everything around the wooden furniture industry. It was our first show where we exhibited our services to the industry in India and the area. And for us, it was a very good experience. We found people not only to be very nice and friendly, but also to be very interested in our services. And the amount of companies growing and trying to expand their plants and planning to expand their plants was very interesting for us. To us, it meant a lot because it was a good spot and a good place to exhibit what we do. We didn't have another chance to see and to meet that many potential customers otherwise at a show like this. There would not be any comparable chance to do that. So a show for us is very good to meet and to discuss with people what we do.